Hello guys, I am Daddy the guitarist, singer, songwriter and a composer. Today I welcome you to this tutorial, Kasongo by Supa Mazembe. So, I just need 10 minutes of your time, 10 to 11 minutes of your time. Okay, Kasongo. This song is very easy. So this is how you play this song. Quickly, the way we always do it. Come to the key of A sharp. Come to the key of A sharp and play for me shape number 7. Are you seeing this clearly? Of course. Come to the key of A sharp, A B. Play for me shape number 7. Okay? Very quick, number 7. So you know our progression. Shape 7. Shape 7, shape 7 now. Combine with shape 6, shape 5 and shape. Okay, shape 7, shape 6 and shape 5, shape 7. Shape 6 and shape 5. Alright? So that is the progression. So this is what I want you to do. While in shape 7 key of A sharp, you just use 3 strings, okay? String number 3, string number 2 and string number 1. So this is what I want you to do. You are seeing this clearly. So I want you to do this. I want you to play fret number 11. I want you to play the E B note. Fret number 11, alright? Play the E B note. Fret number 8. Fret number 8, I want you to play the C note. So you have fret number 9, I want you to play the A B note, A sharp note. Fret number 8, I want you to play the E note, the E B note. Fret number 8, I want you to play the E B note. So you have, no, sorry, I've missed one thing. I've missed this note. So you have, so before you go to fret number 9, I want you to come to fret number 11, still string number 2, and play the A note, string 2, and then now come to fret number 9 and play the A sharp note, and then finish up by string number 3, fret number 8, E B note. So you have, are we together? We move on. Next step, remember the progression that I've told you when we were starting the lesson. And by the way, I'm going to upload this jam track too. You'll just see the link in the description, okay? I'm going to place it for you where you can download it. As always, you'll see the link in the description. Now follow the progression. After that, the progression was this one. So here, I want you to do this. I want you to, when you're doing this, you can do away with your third finger, but that is the progression. And play string 3, 2 and 1. Play string 3, 2 and 1. So you have, are we together? That's the progression, okay? So go back to your shape 7 key of A, B, key of A sharp, and play these notes or play these strings. Just play it like this. I'm playing string 1, string 2, and then string 2 again, and it's open like that, and then play string 3. So you have, I want you to see what we are doing so that when I break it down, you will know where we are. So string 1, string 2, and then release, and then play, and then string 3. So this is what we are doing. together? So we have now go to shape 5 and just do what you did here. Do it in shape 5. Okay, so you have are we together? We are left with 4 minutes. Are we together? So the last part, the second last part, I want you to come to shape 3. Shape 3, alright? In shape 3, I want you to do this. Count the frets, fret 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So your pinky finger is on the 16th fret. Alright? A sharp note. 16th fret, A sharp note. So I want you to play that note. No, don't play that note first. I want you to play 16th fret, alright? So go to 15th fret, first string. 15th fret, first string. You're seeing it. So I want you to play this like I want you to play it like this. Play 15th fret G note to 16th fret A sharp note. So you have, and then go to fret number 13 and play E note. Go to fret number 15 and play the G note. Move forward. Go to fret number 11 and play the EB note. And then go to fret number 13 and play the F note. This is the F note. This is not E note. This is an F note. Sorry for that. So you have, and then go to fret number 8. Fret number 8. Go to fret number 9 and play the B sharp note or the C sharp note. And then go to fret number 11 and play the EB note. So we are here. So you have, so after here I want you to come to fret number 8 and play the C note. Fret number 9, play the fret number 9, play the D sharp note or the C sharp note. Fret number 11, play string number 2, A note. And then fret number 9, play string 2, A sharp note. So fret number 8, I want you to play string number 2, G note. Fret number 10. Fret number 10, I want you to play string number 3, F note. And then finish up by EB note.